Hi guys, Kate from Packhelp here. It's so good to see you again. Sending products internationally makes business owners hesitant. If you have a small business or a medium one and you're already supplying your local market, I think I can help you extend that reach abroad. Let me guide you through the waters of international shipping. It's not as hard as it seems. Ahoy, matey! The first thing you should do before shipping abroad is to check the import laws for the destination country. There you will find out which products can and cannot be shipped or imported, whichever way around it's going. It should be available to find this out for all countries. There are some very particular and peculiar laws. Here are some of my favorites. Algeria has a ban on all dental products coming into the country. You can't ship matching shoes into Mexico, South Africa, or India. And in Bulgaria, it's illegal to import used clothing. When shipping inside the EU, remember to check the country's local laws and the union laws. Also, it's really important that you know the difference between these next 4 words, because you're going to be hearing them a lot. Taxes are an additional expense based on a percentage. An import tax may be applied to your shipment payable in advance or upon arrival. Fees are flat rates that apply to a shipment or transaction, regardless of its value. Duties are similar to taxes, but are paid to governments and usually are a percentage of your after-tax value. Tariffs are a tax added to foreign products to restrict trade with certain countries or to make foreign products less appealing, thus keeping local trade competitive. Most shipping firms have a shipping calculator on their website, so you can easily find out about shipping costs in the desired region. Be sure to use boxes fitting to your product. A well-fitted packaging will ensure a safe arrival of its contents. It'll also save you the trouble and prices of potential delays. Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First of all, consider the weight of your product when choosing a box. Then, size. Don't leave any empty space around your product, so you don't end up with something like that. When packing something fragile, use a filling or decorative paper. And to be extra safe, use warning stickers like "This way up," "Fragile," or "Do not stack." There are many factors to take into account when picking the right courier company. First, ask yourself these questions. What countries are you shipping to? How many shipments to each country? And what is the acceptable shipping time for each region? Only then make the final decision on what you're choosing. Don't hesitate to choose several companies. It all depends on different countries and what their policies are. But it's always good to give your clients a choice. They might want to use their local mail because they don't mind waiting. Sometimes they might need it ASAP, and then they're going to have to pay more. If you're still not convinced that organizing international shipping is for you, you can always use some help. For example, if you are an American or British brand, you can have Bird help you distribute your products to the EU. And similarly, Red Stag Fulfillment can help the EU and UK reach the US. A third-party fulfillment service is basically a big warehouse where you send large quantities of your product to. They get the postage details and then they send off your package anywhere in the world. Definitely consider that option because it helps save money and responsibility, just all the hassle in general. Whew, I think that's it. God, that load of information took so much longer than I expected, but I hope it helped shed some light on the mysteries of international shipping. If you've ever encountered any problems with international shipping, let me down in the comment section below. Maybe someone's looking for a solution to a problem that you've already had and solved. You could make some stranger's day. We're so glad you're with us. To be up to date with all our videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, it really helps us out, and just so you know when we're on, hit the bell button.